How to download XM Trading app on your laptop. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up your browser and search for XM Trading. After that, simply open up this particular option of MT5 platform, and this will give you the option of download over here. And in case if you want to trade on the web, then just simply select this option of web trader, and this way you would be able to get it. But in case if you want to download some other platform for XM Trading, simply log into your account of XM Trading, and after that just simply select this option of more over here and scroll down till you find this section of platforms, and here you would get MT4 platform as well as XM app, and you can use both of them as well. So it's all up to you which one you want to use. And this is how you download the XM Trading app on your laptop. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.